Я чуть-чуть поворот проехал. Ну и пиздец.
Поехали. Вот это... И гаишники, смотри.
Police in pursuit on the 405 South, just crossed over the Venice Boulevard exit. This is the pursuit vehicle right there in the center of your shot. It's going to be that white Kia Soul. Again, this is federal police in pursuit, not something we typically see here in Southern California, but CHP is also very close by. It's unclear if they're going to try to take control of this pursuit here. This is, again, on the 405 South, traveling very slowly. We've seen this driver driving on the right shoulder at times, but never too quickly. Again, 405 CHP is in fact successful in attempting a pit maneuver here in the El Segundo area. Oh, here we go. Oh, wrong side of the road yet again. Making that U-turn here and coming back out in the direction that we just came. So try to get a step ahead of them, made that U-turn, and now we're continuing back southbound. I'm going to try, oh, and then yet another U-turn. What we've learned about her is she doesn't like traffic and she likes U-turns. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. There's the pit. We're going to try to get around this street here in just a moment. You can see that the CHP is getting out of their vehicles.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's